Before you begin, make sure you're in a quiet and calm place where you won't be disturbed for some time. Find a position in which you will feel completely at ease. You can sit or lie down, whichever works best for you. And when you feel ready, you can gently close your eyes and shift your attention to your breath. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in to a count of 4. Hold the breath in to a count of 2, and then exhale fully, again to a count of 4. Keep taking long, deep breaths. Feel how your whole body is part of the process, how it harmoniously moves with the breath, how it's gently expanding and contracting. If you feel you may be becoming distracted right now, know that it's completely natural. Just acknowledge that it's happened. Notice if there are any thoughts or feelings which you feel are not needed right now. Observe them without becoming attached to them, and simply shift your attention back to your breath, back to the here and now. Now, I'd like you to become aware of what is happening within you right now. What kinds of thoughts are going through your mind? What kinds of feelings are you experiencing? How is your body reacting to them? Stress can be draining, even exhausting. So I'd like you to take a moment to lightly scan your body, noticing if it's holding on to any stress. Each time you breathe in, feel how you are drawing in calming energy, taking it to the areas that may be tense. Each time you breathe out, feel how you are releasing all the tension you may be feeling in your body. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding the breath 1, 2, and exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel how the very act of breathing is able to center you and calm you. Feel how it's activating a relaxation response within you. Focus on the relaxing feeling which is washing over your body. How it's moving from the top of your head and all the way to your toes, cleansing them of all the tension, all the stress, all the pressure. Now, I'd like you to take a moment to think about what is causing you stress right now. Just sit with your thoughts, neutrally observing them, acknowledging what is happening. Breathe, knowing that you are able to make sense of these thoughts without letting them drain you. Breathe, knowing that you are much more capable of handling any stressful situation when you're centered and calm. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, and exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay with the breath for a few moments, and when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes.